I'm so excited today because I'm gonna be making one of my favorite things to eat, tortas de carne asada. I like to add refried beans, some cebolla curtida. It makes it so delicious. Let me show you guys how I make it. We're gonna be using boneless beef chuck meat, queso panela, avocado, tomato, beans, telera bread, red onion, lime, lettuce, oil, mayonnaise, seasoned salt, and lemon pepper. We're gonna start off by cooking our meat. I'm gonna add oil and wait for it to heat up. Oil is now hot. I'm gonna add the meat. I'm gonna add the seasoned salt and the lemon pepper. While we wait on the meat, I'm gonna fry my beans. I'm gonna add some oil to a skillet and wait for that to heat up. Okay, I'm gonna add my beans. When I make beans, I like my oil to be very, very hot because I feel like it gives it a better flavor. It is a little bit messier, but it's okay. I'm gonna let them simmer for about 5 minutes and then I'm gonna smash them. It's actually been about 3 minutes and now I'm gonna start smashing my beans. I like them very smashed. Some people like to leave some of the beans whole, but I personally like them very smashed. Okay, so I think my beans are ready. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna put them to the side. Okay, ahora voy a curtir la cebolla. We're gonna add a little bit of salt and the juice of 1 lime. We mix it up a little and set it to the side. Next, I'm gonna slice a tomato. Lettuce, I just cut it up a little bit because it's easier to add to the torta. We're also gonna slice the avocado. Now I'm gonna slice the bread. I'm adding some butter to the bread and I melt it a little bit so that it can spread better. Now we slice the cheese. It's been about 35 minutes and I'm gonna check on the meat. And it looks about ready. I just like it a little bit more fried.
Quemadita.
Poco quemadita. Pero se ve deliciosa. Okay, the meat is done. I'm gonna cover it and set it to the side. This is queso panela. It gives it a much better flavor when it's grilled. And then on this side, I'm gonna place the bread as well. Okay, the cheese is ready. And then we're just going to add it to the bread. And we're also gonna place the other bread on this side and get this one out. The bread is now ready and it's time to start building our torta. We're gonna add some beans, frijolitos, poquito más, some meat. You can add as much as you want. For me, this is a good amount. Next, we're gonna add tomato, cebollita curtida. Keep in mind, cebolla curtida is optional if you don't like it. We're adding aguacatito, lettuce, and the last part is adding some mayo to the top bread. I know some people like to grill the mayo, but I just like it like this. And there you have it, delicious torta de asada with all the cheese and the beans. Super delicious. Okay guys, best part of the video. I cut it in half because it was too big and I couldn't bite it. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of the matcha sauce that I made in the previous videos, just to give it an extra kick. Mmm. Super, super good. Definitely need to try it. Super rica. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you do try the tortas, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.